Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be using the dynamic medium almond nail tips and creating a iridescent nail design, beginner friendly. I'm also going to be customizing the acrylic colors using these gel polishes. Pretty much what you do is you get a gel polish of your choice and you drop some inside the monomer and you just test it out to see if it's the right color. You can either add more monomer or more polish depending on the color that you want. This one's gonna be an iridescent pink. The other ones are gonna be blue, purple, and green. So here I'm using the Daily Charm flakes. I believe this one is the Aurora or Mermaid flakes. I actually use both. And the application doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna layer it with the different flakes and glitter according to what color you're using. So on this one, as you can see, I do add some glitter, some pink glitter, and not a whole lot because you don't want it real thick. So you just get some acrylic and you put it on real wet and you just add wherever you would like. And then I also add some of the Valentino Soft Touch just to give it the dimension. And the Soft Touch is like a milky white. And just spread it. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be even. Just try not to make it real thick because you have to encapsulate it. So pretty much right here I'm just doing the same thing using the purple, and you will see here I'm using some purple flakes, and also I'm going to be using the Mermaid and the Aurora flakes on this one as well. In here I'm just doing the blue color, and this one happened to be my favorite one. This one and the pink are my favorite. I do really like the color that it turned out to be. But here, as you can see, I'm just gonna be repeating the process. And also, just to mention, if you're curious about the hands that I use, I mostly use the Alina hands, but I'm going to be doing a review on all the hands that I have. I have two Alina hands, I have Glamour Liz hand, the Beyonce color, and I also have 2 fingers. So stay tuned for that video. So right here, to make it look like a stone look, iridescent stone, I added some white polish, and I didn't use gel, I used just regular nail polish. Just drew some lines randomly, and then with that brush there, I'm just getting some acetone and thinning it out just to make it less harsh. I finish off the look with the not polished glosset and added some stones to the ring finger, and I think they turned out really pretty. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. And again guys, this is very easy, beginner friendly design anybody can do, and I hope you like the video. Thank you.